Hi and welcome. We're going to be doing a review of the Vax Steam Cleaner. This model comes at £99 in English currency, British currency, and it's designed to steam the floor, scrub the floor with steam, and actually have a chemical, a detergent that also cleans the floor. Now, I've decided to do a review on this because of the quality of the machine, and I think people should know what they are buying into before they buy. So look, the machine comes in 3 parts. The head, which unclips here and comes apart. You've got the bottom that comes off too. I'm not actually going to remove this because it breaks, and we'll get into that in a moment. This comes off and slots back in. You've got your mat on the bottom that connects. If you notice, I've got an elastic band around that to keep it together, because over time, this is 6 months old, it stops sticking to the bottom, so I needed something to keep it there. You can put this in the washing machine and wash it every time you use it, which is very helpful. So let's get straight into how the machine works. We'll get onto this in a moment. You plug it in, of course, you turn the machine on, simple switch on top. Once the machine is turned on, you'll have a little button here, and lights that light up. It should take about 20 seconds to heat up. There you go. The first light indicates steam and water. You press it again, less steam. Press it again, and that's steam and detergent, less steam and detergent. I like to use it on steam and detergent, so watch. You've got the little trigger that you hold it here, and slowly it will start to steam the floor. You can hear the steam coming out in this wire. So, the machine steams very well. It's quite efficient. You can also unclip this here. There's no button that unclips this, which is a little unsafe. You should be able to put your foot here and take it off, but you cannot do that. So I have to hold it here and then pull it hard, which is a little awkward. Bad design. Now if you remove this, you can use that to scrub, which is pretty cool. The problem is, look at the design. Look how weak and wobbly this is. This is very badly put together. So the machine does the job, it steams the floors, but it's not well put together. This shouldn't be wobbling after 6 months. Okay. You have a button here for extra steam, less steam, which is pretty cool. And this is used, you clip it on, to steam the carpet. You can use this on the carpet too. So overall, if you're looking for a steamer, it does the job. But of course, let's turn this off, we're looking for reliability and quality. Like I said, you're going to pay £100 for this model. So it's called the Vax Steam Fresh Power Plus. And let's go on to the quality of the machine, because it works, it cleans the floors, it does a good job of that, I cannot lie. But quality is something that we expect when we buy something. I don't expect to buy something after 6 months, worry about things breaking so easily. So, look, here's what we have. If you look here, the wire is cutting all the way through. Already one wire, the yellow wire has already been cut. The machine still works, so I'm not too sure that why it's supposed to do, but it's slowly going through them all because of the design and how weak this cable is. It's weak. So that's a minus for me. I'm gonna give that's really poor. That shouldn't be breaking so easily. And like I said here, this is wobbling. It's coming apart. It even leaks chemicals or detergents through here, which it's not supposed to do because of the design quality. Let me tell you a story. Before I bought this Vax Steam Cleaner, I bought the model down. I'm not sure of the make, but I'll find it. I'll put it in the description below. And it had a design fault. The chemical, the detergent, wouldn't go through the steamer and clean the floors. So I took it back to Argos where I bought it and asked for another one because it had a design fault. They gave me another one and it was the same problem. The detergent wasn't being stuck through the machine. I call up Vax. They apologize. They say send it back to us and we'll fix it. I said, listen, I'm not sending it back to you. I've just bought the machine. Realistically, it should be working at least. This is the second one I've had. I said, I'm going to take it back, get another one. If it doesn't work, then I give up. So I took it back, I got another one, and it didn't work. Same problem. So I took it back to the store. It got a design fault. I showed them what the problem was. They agreed in Argos, and they gave my money back. And I go, I still need a steamer because I need it for my floors. So we looked through the catalog, and she pulls up this one. Different design. I looked at it, I thought, okay, listen, I'll give them one more chance. I bought the machine, I took it home, and it was working. It was steaming the floor, the chemicals were coming out, the detergent, it was doing a good job, so I kept it. I was happy. An extra, I think at the time, £40. I paid for this. So, within like 6 months, well actually not even that, about 4 or 5 months, they started to come loose. Okay? Still working, I could sellotape it, but that's not the point. Okay? Then I started noticing this was chopping as well. This shouldn't happen. That's very poorly designed and very cheap material. It's not worth £100 in my opinion. I've got cheaper things in my house that have lasted much longer than this. So, another design fault is that it doesn't stay upright. It falls over. There's no stand to it. And I guarantee you at some point you're going to accidentally lean this against something and it's going to fall and it's going to crack somewhere. I haven't done it yet, but I can see less efficient people or more clumsy people dropping this and breaking it. It's easily done. It's very wobbly, feels very flimsy, quality poor, all plastic everywhere. So what is my verdict on the machine? It's a good idea. It's got the detergent and the steam to clean the floors. It's got a scrubber, yes, as we've shown, that can scrub the floors. My problem with the machine is the design and the quality. Quality is, I actually give it a 1 out of 5. That's how bad the quality is. Idea to the machine, I give it a 4. It's got good ideas, but you've got to up your game when it comes to quality. I've got a machine, actually a juicer that I use, which I'm going to review in some time, that is 10 years old and still going strong. So this has no excuse. I'm not going to keep buying every year a new top part to this. What's the top part going to cost? They sell each part at Vax separately, which is probably cost just as much as the machine costs anyway. Yeah, you're going to buy new mats eventually. You're going to maybe buy new water storage and detergent storage, maybe, if needed to. But little parts, not the main parts, come on. And this is unacceptable. That's dangerous. Now, I call Vax up. Actually, no, I emailed them. I told them my problem. And they said to me, my warranty is valid because I use it for work. It's no longer home appliances. Which is kind of fair. I get that. But when it's such bad of quality, this is dangerous and unacceptable and should be changed immediately because of its bad work, craftsmanship. Okay, but I suppose £100 steamer, what do you expect? No, I think you should get better for £100. It's not that complicated of a machine. Okay, I mean, you can buy Hoovers, same price, that are pretty good, right? Vacuum cleaners, should I say, juicers, home appliances, toasters that do much better job and last much longer. So for my opinion, if you're going to buy this steamer, expect it to last no more. If you're going to use it twice a week, you're going to get maximum a year's work out of it before it starts breaking on you. So it's up to you what you do, but I think it's a no-no. Look at other companies with better quality. Take care, guys.